Hello everyone, this is Jeremy Gertis. Today I'm going to be presenting my Robo-presenter. This is an Arduino based mechanical interface for a keyboard to press the left and the right keys on a keyboard using an infrared remote, any Sony remote, with an infrared receiver to operate a PowerPoint presentation using the infrared remote through an Arduino board. So the reason that I built this was where I work, we're not allowed to use any wireless, infrared, RFID, Bluetooth, wireless devices that are hooked up to a computer on the network via USB, because no devices have been approved. Not that no devices could be approved, but none have been through the approval process. This is 2014, and with all the open source software and hardware out there, I decided to build a little robot to accomplish this task, so we don't have to have an extra body sitting up at the front of the classroom presenting during lecture. I work for the Department of the Navy, and this is just a side project I've done for fun. We've used this a couple times in the classroom, and it seems to work just fine. The instructors are happy to use it. So this is a very rough prototype. I'm going to make up a nice model that will I'm going to ground it and make sure we meet all the safety requirements for use in the classroom, and make it much prettier, of course. Laser cut or 3D printed, haven't decided yet. The overall scope of the project is pretty simple. I've already explained that, how all we're trying to do is push two buttons, and simple makes a simple project. So this is one of the first Arduino based projects I've developed on my own for fun. So with the components, we'll list those off. We have an RFID filtered RFID receiver. This is not RFID, I'm sorry, infrared receiver. This is filtered, I believe 38 megahertz, kilohertz? Yeah, 38 kilohertz, something like that. I'll have all the specs in the links in the bottom of the video, so just follow the links and we'll have specs and everything for the full build out. All the components together, we're looking at about $45 if we go down to the component level, and potentially print our own PCB boards. We have some fun stuff to play with. So this is, we've got the receiver connected to the board. Everything's all prototyped out, of course, on just a regular breadboard. We have two 5-volt to 12 volts, 5 to 12 volt relay switches, some diodes, some resistor. Yes, the resistors for the signal input from the infrared signal from the infrared sensor. The two relays, 5-volt low amperage, powers the relays, and the relays, when those are powered on through the 5-volt low amp. We're going to send a higher amperage 12-volt signal to two solenoids, and each one of these solenoids is going to be a push to the keys. And all the code will be posted in a link at the bottom, at the end of this video. I have a built-in delay so that it's not going to move forward or backwards too quickly, so you're not going to accidentally skip slides. I also have a built-in, the delay cuts out after, if you were to long press and hold on the key. So we're going to press it, we're going to hold, and it's going to be moving quickly. So we have the rapid. It'll cycle through about 50 slides a minute or so, depending on the PowerPoint presentation software. So it's just infrared remote, whatever distance that the remote's going to work at. It's typically 5 to 20 feet, which is more than decent for instructing. So that is the Robo-presenter we built out just kind of on a weekend. I'll post a second video after I have a cleaner build out.